There we go. Got a little update here. Just got done making some really cool animation for the pop blocks that I'm making for the game here, and I've opened up the function arguments so that I can make different kinds. And this is what it looks like right here. This is the code that handles the animation. Very simple stuff actually. All we do here is we set a timer based on the interval, and we use time get time. Of course, since this game is for Windows, it doesn't really matter using time get time. Um, so let's go ahead and let's run this example here. Show you guys what I've got here. So we've got a platform that has two little arrows that blink black and yellow, and we got another one over there on the right that's got these really funky lines going up, signifying that, hey, yeah, this is a platform. Now they're both very different. One will catapult me higher, and another one will catapult me not so high. One of them is also movable, the other is not. So, and I had to implement a new feature into the sprite class to support clipping from the bottom. That way, I'm actually cutting a section of the bitmap as I'm animating the sprite downs to make it look like it's sinking into the bricks. So fix that. It was kind of tricky, but I got it working. I think evidently I'm gonna have to add for the left, right, and maybe the top, but for now this works. So they still propel me up as usual. Let's switch to the example I showed before. The only difference now is they've got animations, and the animations are really, they're so simple that they don't interfere at all with the flow of the game, because all we're doing here is we're just flipping a bitmap. It's okay, so that's that one there. We're gonna go and take her on this side, and this one, this is a very weak one. It doesn't really send me that up high. It's like a slight little bounce, as you can see. Very gentle bounce there. And of course, let's get off this platform here, and then let's move our little J-Cut. Let's get on top of this brick here so we can, this moving brick, get him out of the way there. And this one over here I can move. Whoops, I bounced on it. See, I can move this one left and right. There we go, as you can see. Now this is a fixed, evidently I would want to design these so that you could possibly put them on top of other objects. So if I were to put it on top of that moving brick there, it would fall right through the brick, because I don't have it coded that way. But that's something to add maybe later on. It can be added simple. However, it does support objects on top of it. So we're gonna move our blue guy here. Oh boy, I'm not gonna be able to do that because the platforms. But if there was something on top, I can move him along with it. And I remember this one I can move, and I can push him along with it. So that's all part of the collision system right there. There we go. This one I cannot move, as you can see. No matter how hard I try, it cannot move. So sometimes we need those platforms that are just fixed in place. We don't want to move them. And that's what that one would do. But this one right here, this one definitely moves. So that's the update I got for now. And I thought that was really cool to finally have some animations going in the game. This makes it look alive, you know. So that you know what that means, guys, is that our little friends here, Jake and Lucy, will soon be getting feet. So as opposed to just sliding across the bricks like they are on a flat surface, they're actually gonna have feet, and they're gonna look like they're walking. So that's gonna be really cool. I'm gonna have to sit down and kind of do some artwork on how I want the feet to move and how many frames I want to use. So that's going to take a fair bit of time, but I think that's going to be the next step. So I thought this was really cool to finally get this working. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys now. Thank you for watching, and bye-byes.